In today's video, we're gonna be opening the scary Labubu.
Let's close the alligator. Yeah.
Part 3. Okay, I'm gonna open the first Labubu. By this time, I got too lazy to put captions, so deal with it.
I'll open this one.
Up.
Weapon. Okay, well put that right there so it's easier for us to see the scary Labubu.
But this is not scary anymore, and we need scary Labubu.
Okay, well let's go. Scary Labubu.
Alright, third. Hey, come over here. Come over here.
Nah, cause you're gonna hit me.
Oh.
Isn't that nice? I opened my scary Labubu.
I twig shot. I'm better.
Okay, let's go open more scary Labubu.
I'm gonna open the next scary Labubu. Next scary Labubu. I wish I had a stick.
I love stick. Ooh, wait, let me just...
No, you're gonna blow up the scary Labubu.
No, I'm not. Well, like...
I'm throwing it off the edge.
Okay, but I opened another. What?
You did. That was the wrong area. We were supposed to take turns. You had 2 in a row.
Hey, but you can have that one, and then my turn and your turn. So
No, you open 2.
Fine, here's the torpedo.
No, okay.
Stop it. I'm better than you, Scary Labubu.
Owie, scary Labubu hurting me. Alright,
I will
scary
open them.
Oh,
Tic-tac.
No tic-tac.
Stop it.
Alright, guys, well, he had to go, so I'm gonna open the last 2 scary Labubu. More walkie ammo. Ooh, grenade!